So today we took revenge. 1 minute early in Facebook, okay?
Oh, great. That's good.
Okay. Right.
A lot of people watch in Facebook, no?
Yeah. Last week, and even previously, also a couple of times it has happened.
Yeah.
Sometimes it doesn't go. It go up to one point, then after that, maybe some network issues. I don't know. We will see. Right. Good evening.
But
Welcome,
Zoom
everyone.
It started? No, 5 o'clock?
Time is 5 o'clock. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, we'll wait 2 more minutes. Indian time.
Yeah,
Indian Standard Time.
Yeah, we are in Facebook Live. Let people see our faces, right? Beautiful, handsome people. Right.
For 2 minutes.
Yeah. People as like Shanti has come with all the makeup so that people see them. Right?
Shanti didn't.
You are mute. Arun has come in full stylish, you know.
Especially for the session.
That's good.
Shino has also come in some northern attire. So, yeah.
Also, you forgot Sujit has come in a very nice shirt. Nice shirt.
No, we started with Sujit.
Yeah.
So
That's not recorded. That's not recorded.
We asked him like, is it like you are buying a shirt and you are painting, or what is that you are doing?
That's what I'm told.
So did you paint the shirt?
No. Not that skillful.
I'm sure you are.
Okay.
It's a different skill.
Yeah.
I bought it in Amazon.
It's correct fitting.
Yeah, you get it. Now,
that's possibility.
I know, but you try, no? Like Amazon maybe work for you also.
Yeah, I tried a lot of things, but not shirt.
Yeah, maybe. Let's start, I guess, like 5-2 now. Then people will join that. We'll start?
Yeah, just putting the link on the group. Okay. Yeah. So thank you very much. Good evening. Welcome to NEET Talks 28. Chandra Mohan is presenting today, the man who was single-handedly trying to destroy the secular atmosphere of Baroda, right? all religion alike was the description which you will get from Wikipedia, right? Okay, so I think he's a symbol of Indian art and the kind of artistic expression challenges one faces, an artist faces, and the kind of challenges freedom of expression faces in the whole world, especially when that has come to the foray of discussion in many parts of the world. I think Chandra Mohan's session today is coming at an apt time. Okay. Welcome, Chandra Mohan. Just to give a brief introduction, he is not new to everyone, but still on a formal sake, he has done a BFA in painting from JNTU Hyderabad, and then further went on to do MBA in graphics from Baroda, and then an illustrious journey as an artist. Over to you, Chandra Mohan. Welcome everyone else.
Yeah, thank you, Satish. Yeah, so good evening, everybody. So I think since my master's, I don't have any chance to show my work or share my work. through gallery or something else. But definitely this is a very good opportunity to share my work. So thank you very much for the me talks for given such great opportunity. So before share my work, I would like to say something about my uh, art career, where I started. So actually, when I'm in class 8th standard, so I started. Actually, I am from a carpenter family. So when I am in 8th class, so I used to work wood carving only. So it is helpful to my brother. So along with that, no, I started to do some small scale. But my brothers, no, they used to work in a regular size. It's a regular size. But whenever I have the time, I used to do chairs and tables all in small format. So even not only that object, at the same time, no, I will go for some chisels, no, which we will use for carpentry work. So all things I used to do in small format. So actually, my art career, really to say, my art career started as a sculptor. So I used to work on wood only. So after my intermediate, so joined in JNTU College, Hyderabad, in Department of Painting. So we have the optional subject printmaking. It's a weekly one, something like that. So, but after I completed my master, I went from my master's for MS University. It's a specialization in printmaking. So, okay, Satish, shall we go? Yeah, this is the work of my master first year work. It's a lithography. It's the size around 30 by 22, something like that. So it's the title has given lived. So I'm trying to express the uh, men power against women in social life. So we can see many ways in social life today going against the women. So yeah, this is also almost same concept, but in little it's a abstract. In background there is a woman. It's a crouching woman, something like that picture it is. So yeah. So this is the one of my work I did in my BFA. So while I am doing my BFA, I produced it in my hostel only. So in daytime I used to go to my college, and nighttime I used to do the carving. So this work, the title has given blind mother. So actually here now, blind mother means here I am trying to show twins. So the affection, the motherhood with her twin babies. And you can closely, if you want, you can see the mother two breast has shown as the heads of her babies. So in close you can see that 2 years of the baby. This is the size, I think around 4 feet height. Yeah. Actually, I did one more work in BFA, but that work, no, I received the national award, which is conducted in Hyderabad Art Society. So, but unfortunately, no, I don't have that image. Yeah, this is the woodcut of my master first year. So this is the actually this work, no, I inspired with the caption, no, in shopping malls, buy one get one free. Actually, it's the I wrote the text, but it's the mirror, no, it's a print will come, it's like a mirror image. So so I thought, why don't you use that caption? Yeah, buy one get one free. So I try to transform it into my work. It's the 6 by 2.5 feet.
The other one, light is gone. The light.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's
Actually,
okay.
right now I'm in my village, no. So
It's fine.
kind
It's
of,
fine.
yeah.
I thought it's okay. You forgot now.
No.
It's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
That's in, yeah, the early works in the collection of the Baroda Jaspur, no?
Yeah, Jaspur. Yeah.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
work in Jaspur only.
Yeah. Uttarayan.
Yeah, Uttarayan. This is also master first year work. It's a wire, the title is. And this one also I inspired from the adult poster, no? So actually that time, no, when I'm doing my masters, no, I saw one poster in some area in Raupura, something like that. I think Raupura is a old city. So I saw that poster. It's a poster with the title of "Sex in the City." So I wrote that also on that poster. Yeah. So that poster inspired me to make a one art piece. Yeah. This is the woodcut print. So the size of 2 by 3 feet. I try to show the relations between the man and woman, so which is overlapped image. No, it's a background. It's a female. It's in pink color. So I try to use overlapped male image. Even the as per the image, no, actually the procedure of the woodcut also it is layer by layer procedure. So I first I took the pink color image, background image. Then after that I overlapped the other color. So then I removed the pink layer, no, wherever I want to see that pink. So there I removed the layer. So it is also, no, the procedure also it's a kind of very uh, close to the subject also. It's a overlap system, no? It's a color by color.
So how do you arrive in woodcut? How do you graphics actually? Like you started from paint, BFA or later?
No, actually BFA from painting, but we have the printmaking as an optional subject only.
Yeah. We
Weekly
all
one
are.
class or something like that.
Yeah, we all are.
But I am very keen interested in printmaking while I'm studying my painting also. So I am quite interested. So, but actually, I thought it's better to go for printmaking in Baroda. My teacher also he suggested you have the chances to get some. However, I have the interest, no, in printmaking. So he suggested me to why don't you apply for printmaking in Baroda. So then once I applied or got the seat, no. So actually that time, no, everybody doing etching. So etching it's a quite expensive, no, to buy the etching plate and inks and everything. So actually, I don't have that much money to purchase the etching plates or something. So I went for all these woodcut print. It's a woodcut. Actually, whatever the wood I use, no, nobody use this wood because this wood is the very hard wood. It's a commercial wood. It is very hard to carve. Actually, yeah. Basically, I'm from carpentry family. No, I know how to carve and how much effort I have to give as per my drawing or as per the texture. No, so I thought it's better to use the ply, and that material cost also. No, it will be very cheap to comparable that etching or any other medium. So this is the one work, remote. The title is given. It's a 6 by 2.5 feet. This is the work I received the National Award, Lalita Kala Academy in 2006. Yeah. Actually, this time, no, actually, that time, actually, in 2006, the printmaking is in Baroda. So everybody used to do in black and white only. Black and white, or maximum few artists works on mono print, no? Mono color. So nobody used to use the direct color. It's the primary colors or secondary colors, something like that. So actually, I was the first person. Why don't is it not must no to use the mono print or some mixed? So even my teachers Dumal and Jairam and Vijay Bogade, they always used to say that no, yeah, you are using very direct colors. It's very so harsh and it's a very contrast. So why don't you mix that two colors and so that it can be go for little it's a monotype or something like that. So but always I but I never hear the word. But I have the always no. Why don't? It's not a something printmaking means it's a kind of signature. We have to go for very classical time of. It's not no. So always I try to explore. No, it's direct colors only. Yeah, try to.
Then
There's
it
a quick question for you. Yeah.
no, then it become a school, na? Like a lot of people are doing now, like in a.
Yeah. Then after that, actually, no, that time, no, everyone, no, whoever it is come to my studio, no, actually nobody used to visit the printmaking department when I am doing my master because no, everybody knows that printmaking departments they are doing only black and colors. So they are restricted for some mediatic work, something like that. But when I'm doing, one day that Indro sir has came. So he saw my work. It was something. It's a new thing. Approach is coming in printmaking. So he consulted. He is one of my friend who is studying, or who is doing painting. So then he came and he told me, yeah, actually nobody used to come, but nobody used to suggest. But first time Indra sir told, yeah, why don't you visit that printmaking? They are going something new approach. So I thought, no. So when he told, actually within after that, actually 4 months or something, 5 months something, with the difference, I received the national award. So then that painting department also, no, they are little bit, no, there is something, no, such kind of, because earlier, no, nobody showed that much of interest. So either it is inside my painting department or some other friend. But when I received that national award, and at the same time national scholarship also I received within the same year, within the I think 1 month difference. So, and Kalakriti International, the scholarship also I received. Yeah. So that time, so many students from other departments also they come to visit the printmaking department. Yeah.
So there are a couple of questions, Chandramohan.
Yeah.
One is from Aishwaryan, that what wood do you use for the prints?
Yeah, actually, this is no. It's a commercial wood. It is a base. We will use in furniture purpose, no. So it's a hard plywood. It's a
marine plywood.
Yeah. So this would only the possibilities of get that kind of texture, no. It is very unexpected texture, and the scratches, no. It's a kind of lines for my subject, no. It's a kind of very painful expressions, and some it's a kind of it's a pain. It's a it represents like it's a wounded feeling, something. Yeah. So that's all. It's a possible in commercial wood only. So, but if you go for some other plywood, no, generally that's soft wood, which now other printmakers using, but that is not possible to get this texture. Yeah. Even in original also, no, that print the quality is it will be completely different because no, it's the texture of the wood, no, everything you can see. If you want, you can zoom it out. So there is a lots of texture, and that it's completely it's a wood feeling. It will come like a plywood feeling. Yeah, something.
So another question is from Shanti that the Lalitakala, that work also resembles Jesus Christ, just the stance. Is there any influence?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, there is no any relation. Means I am not trying to show any Jesus Christ, but it's a compulsory. It inspired me. When I was actually when I am doing my master, no, that time, no, one day, but when I'm my kind of works also, no, it's a kind of pain and scratches, something like, no, it's a kind of remorse or feeling something. No, always I try to express those feelings only. So once now, unexpectedly, got in my mind that Jesus Christ, no, it's a crucified body. So it's also something resemble. So why don't I use that posture? Yeah. Then I thought it's very similar to the subject. No, it's a subject means it's not a story or something, but it's that just posture is something very similar. But in my works, I am always try to show my inner feelings. Yeah. So this work, I know I received the Binali, International Award printmaking in 2009. So here also, almost, that it's a powerful image. It's a symbolic. I used the tiger face, and its own her own identity. It's a scratches and yellow. It's a black lines. How that lines is transformed into. You can see that on head place. It's like a very natural. It's a line. Then after that, it went into irregular way. The lines, so it's vertical or something. It's all kind of scratches and uneven lines, patches. It's a kind of transformation of the one deep emotion or personal expressions.
So that scratches on that head was natural in the wood, like that concentrated ones.
Yeah. Everything is a natural wood only. Yeah, only one single plywood. Always I will use the single plywood only. Then only the overlap will be it's very short. The lines will be visible very short. Otherwise, we will not get to. If you use the multiple wood, we will not get that kind of sharpness in line. So this one I did, I think, in 2008. Yeah, 2008. Crouching Man. Here also I am trying to show my personal emotions.
Those who want to see it enlarged can zoom. Okay, you can zoom the image in your mobile or laptop screen and see it.
Yeah, in Zoom also, you will get very beautiful texture and beautiful quality. The actual what I am trying to show that it's a pain, something such kind of. Instead of the picture of the image, you can find out the very beautiful expressions and beautiful lines when we will zoom, when we will see. Actually, instead of this image, if you will see that image, it's a very vast difference. It's a completely that impact is very beautiful than the image. This is the work I produced in 2011. It's two beautiful art. Actually, actually earlier works also, I try to show my own personal experiences, my personal life, my personal emotions. But here, I try to show some works on the like breast cancer people. I try to, why don't we work? So I try to work on that subject only. So here I did first work. I think it's not a first work. Earlier also I did on that series, but it's not whatever the series I did. No, it's not continually. I used to do that. In between, I can do some other kind of work or something like that. Yeah, here I try to show some biological image. No, it's a kind of, it's also the heart. Always I try to show, no, it's the cancer. It's not only it's a breast cancer, but I try to focus on that. But other people ask, no, how they will fight with the, so how they survive their life and with unbearable pain, and no, always I try to show that. So here I try to show some close-up details of the breast biological system. It is also same series of work. And they have, no, the different symptoms. No, it's so the it's irregular menstruals and irregular hormone changes. No, it's everything is the symptoms of the patient. So here also I try to show the same subject, but here I try to show some day and night. It's, you know, you can see on top. Day and night means 24 hours. So they don't have the, so it's a relaxed time. It's the normal people have some relax to rest. But for the patient, no, it's they 24 hours they have unbearable pain. No, they are. This is the print. So I think next I try to show some. Yeah, this is the block. This is the block of that print. So I try to work on this black also block now. So I try to use some different materials I use here. So I use some blowtorch. No, I try to burn the plywood. You can see in close up. It's a blowtorch. No, it's a burn.
Yeah.
It's a kind of almost it's a painful. No, so I try to use that burner. And in background also I used some images which was related to the subject matter, which are downloaded from internet.
This which year you did this?
I think
In which year?
it's 2014, I think so.
Oh.
Yeah, this is also same subject matter, parasite 1 and parasite 2. So different characters of the one's sexual behavior. So this is also, no, one kind of symptoms, one kind of symptoms who is facing that breast cancer. No, so I try to. Yeah, this is the block of that print. Uh,
You show all these works somewhere? You did it show something?
no, actually, these wood blocks are with me only, but I showed in abroad.
Oh.
I exhibited in Bangkok and France and USA.
These are oil. What color you use? Printing ink.
No, printing inks only. Yeah.
Next.
This is a Parasite 2 title.
Why Lotus is repeating?
No, that's what I'm saying. No, it represents. No, it's a blossoming, something blooming. No, it's a feeling, the expressions of pain or something. From sexual organ. No, it's a vagina. So it's up and down picture. I think you got that.
Yeah.
So it's a different kinds of symptoms. No? Same series of work, but here I try to show the cloth instead of body. I always try to use the torso images, but here I try to use that only cloth, which is the very close relation to the body, so which is very painful, the relationship between the body and cloth, so why don't I use the cloth as a symbolic of the victim?
Chandramohan,
Yeah, please.
like pain seems to be the underlying theme, but then it's about the fairer sex, about the female, the most of the forms which you are shown. Is it like your pain coming out through another body, or is it some other personal experiences?
Yeah, of course, they have their own experience, but when you feel that experience, then only we can imagine their pain, then only that is almost, it's a transformation. It's my personal feeling. Yeah, it's an experience. Yeah, so that what I know, but what I can imagine, so how they are suffering their life and what kind of symptoms they have, and their unbearable pain and all that things, so to think also, to imagine that also, it's very painful. Yeah, so why don't I use that subject matter? Yeah, this is the work I did in 2011, my Diwali at Vadodara. So I try to showing some hopes, some hopes for that, to see, yeah, brightful future, something like that. So I used 101 lamps over on the tree, banyan tree. So here lamps represents hopes. Yeah, anybody, it can reflect to anybody personal feelings. Yeah, being a artist, I'm staying in Baroda. It's a Vadodara, means it's a word vruksh, something.
Okay.
So I try to show that heart is like symbolic to the word vruksh. Yeah,
Vadodara means.
yeah, Vadodara. That's why I given the title, my Vadodara at Vadodara, my Diwali at
Yeah.
Vadodara. Yeah. This is the block of that print.
So you painted on top of it? Yeah.
Yeah, this is the block. Earlier one the print. This is the block.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Yeah, the apogee of erotic art. This image, no, I try to work on some Khajuraho temple images.
Mm.
Yeah, this is 2017 work. This is I think from 2007. No, I didn't do any printmaking yet still. Yeah, because of that spinal injury. No, as you know, Sujit. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
So, but this also, like, if they know that, like, this has some nude figure and all, then it's a problem, no, for them.
yeah. No, actually, that's why now here I try to it's some abstract way. I try to compose it in abstract way.
Mm.
Yeah, but you can imagine that, no, a
Yeah,
little
yeah,
bit you can
yeah,
see form and
yeah, yeah.
yeah. This one also from 2017, the beautiful vacation. So actually here also, no, I try to show in close up. No, you can see that dung beetles carrying dung. You can see in close up in bottom.
Wow, wow.
Uh, so it's a kind of, no, it's a, I'm trying to show that beautiful life. No, it's a very natural. In my childhood, no, I used to see that beetles, no, dung beetles. So it's a very how they struggle to carry their food to their food. They make dung into round balls, and how they will carry it, and how much they will struggle to reach their food to store their food in their home. So and their struggle, no, it's a very beautiful actually. So but actually as the same, no, it's a similar, it's a, just a symbolic image. But in my life also, no, in my personal life, no, I struggle so much thing, yeah. But at last, no, still I didn't get the result, yeah, something like that. I try to showing, so whether it is in my personal life or in anything, yeah, still. So, so including the issues I am facing in my life also, no.
Mm.
So everything I try to express my personal emotions.
You did something similar to this in that time also, right? Like something I've seen in outside the campus. I was there for your final display,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I've
yeah.
seen, yeah,
That
something.
earlier also I showed, no, that it's
Yep, yep,
that national award work or some,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So actually this work I did in 2008.
Mm.
Yeah, here no, actually it's 2008 means that issue was happened in 2007, no.
Yeah, yeah.
So that time, no, how I feel, no, how I subjugated my life. And so it's when I'm 24 years old, no, it's so means for my personally whatever I experienced, it was so scary moment that.
Mm.
So yeah.
So you are in custody for how long? You are there in jail, or like
When it's in
the first time?
2007,
First
yeah,
time. Yeah.
yeah, first time in 2007, no, I was 4 days, fifth day I released.
Yeah, yeah.
But actually that time, no, actually I don't know, actually even no, I never seen a certain distance the police or see, no, actually I don't have the such kind of dareness, something like, no. But
Mm.
at the moment, no, such kind of it's you know the issue how it's spread in nationally and internationally also, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, the police they came and arrested and they took me jail. And the experience, the imagination also, no, that time it was so scary, you know. Even my family members also, no, they don't know even what to know, but they also very scared about that incident because it's not in their hometown, no, it's completely out of the states, no.
Mm-hmm.
So even myself also, I am a very innocent something. That time we don't have the any communication with our friends or something like that. So it's a very yeah, so that time, no, I imagined my life, how I spent those days inside the jail and the entire the atmosphere, no. So,
Yet, Chandramohan, like you are not the first artist to draw nudity in the country. I think many more artists have done much more
yes,
expressive
exactly.
than you. So why
Yes,
is it like directly on you, which does not look like, at least in today's
yes,
context? And
yes, exactly. No, you can actually you have seen my master work also. No, there is not something that kind of yeah. It's a very it's a vulgar or something like that. But actually, no, actually that really to say no, actually the incident is not about my work. Actually, the politics are the completely different. Whatever that issue was happened in 2007, no, it's not a unexpected issue. It was a very pre-planned something. No, we can say it's a organized event, something like that. So that is the reason. Actually, that target was not me because no, I don't have the any enemy. No, so I am not an enemy. Even my work itself also, no, it's not that much of a controversial images. No, as you said, no, the said there are so many artists and so many sculptures, so many. There are many works in nudity or something like. But actually, when I'm doing my master, no, actually that the reason is no. They target to suspend that in charge Dean Sivji Panikar. Actually, their target is the Sivji Panikar, not me. So as they plan, no, they successfully did that. But unfortunately, no. Even sometime, no, whenever I meet some people, no, they told me that, yeah, unnecessarily, yeah, you are facing the problem and you are surviving your life. Yeah, but no one has imagined that you will face such long time and such kind of life. Yeah, so that is the reason, actual reason. Yeah, this one also, no, it's the same image which I did in 2008. But this one, no, again, no, recently I faced no issue in 2008. Yeah, that fired that head office, no, MSU.
2018, no?
2018. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, I think it is 2017. Yeah, it's by mistake actually. 2018 what this is.
Mhm.
Yeah. So after that, no, actually this time I was almost 7 months in jail. So that that experience, no, almost yeah, from that I inspired this work also. Again the same, no, whatever the experience.
So how it happened? This the second time how it is actually happened?
Yeah, no, actually it is no actually regarding my result, no. Actually I wrote around 30 letters, 30 to 34 letters. But
Okay.
only one letter they replied. That reply also, no, they are asking just you have to ask the public apology. Then we will think about your result. Then for their first letter also I replied, okay, I am ready to give the reply, but tell me who are the public. So what is the part of my education? Who part of the public in my education? No? Because no, they are not the university members. They are not the my teachers, and they are nothing. No. So then when I raised that question, no,
Mhm.
then after that there is no single reply from them. Even few times, no, I replied, okay, if you are thinking I am giving the wrong examination, then you can go for fail result also. But you have to release my result. No, I am not demanding no, why don't you have to give pass result only.
Mm.
Because however that external jury member and internal they sent me the distinction marks. So they don't have the any source, no, they don't have the any reason to give me fail result.
Mm.
So they have to give pass result only. If they give pass result, the entire issue will be changed, no. So if they
Oh.
given me the pass result, then where is the reason to suspend the CVC Panikar? Yeah. So we have to show something negative from students' side, so that who are supported, including CVC Panikar, they are supported, na. So that they targeted the CVC Panikar. But entire that issue also, no, not only the enemies are only faculty, university members, including the within the faculty of fine arts also, few people are involved in that issue. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
This work I did in 2014. Yeah, the inspiration from Nirbhaya issue, no.
Mhm.
So I try to use all the incident, no, whatever happened in India, that major issues against the women, the rapes and the brutal murders and or something like that, no. In background, I try to use all that images in background. It's a 4 by 7 feet. It's on plywood. I did on plywood only. Yeah, this one also same. Yeah, same series of work.
This is not print, no? This is
No,
print.
no, not it's not print. It's wood block work.
Wood blocks.
Yeah.
So you don't have print of the.
No, no, no. I don't have the print of it.
Mm.
Yeah, this one, the Nation of Father. Yeah. So this is also no actually almost that similar kind of violences which was took place in India. That the scream painting, no, you know that
Yeah.
scream. Yeah, I try to show that Gandhi image, like eyes are shown like his glosses himself. Yeah, this that image also, no, it's up and down that India map. It is
Yeah.
in background also. I used that violence images from India. Yeah, this is the work I did. The demolition, the Babri incident, no,
Mm.
the political issues, no, Hindu and Muslims. Yeah,
This is also block, no, not print.
yeah. This is also block. Yeah.
So after that, you don't take print or what? Like this is just a block you're
No, no.
carving.
I did. Actually, 2014. No? I think in 2015 again I started a woodcut print.
Okay.
So actually, no, earlier also, no. Actually, when I'm doing continually woodcut print also, no. When I approached to some galleries, actually reason is the different. But few galleries honestly they suggested me. So why don't you do work on some block or something, painting or something like that? Of course, your prints are very good, but some galleries, they are unable to manage the framing, no.
Yeah.
So it's a 4 by 6 print or 8 by 12 size print means it is very hard to. Of course, they can afford, but if they don't have certain sales, no. So that is so accordingly. So they suggested me to why don't you work on blocks or some painting, something like that. So then I tried to go some mixed media work, something like that.
So there's a question here. In this work, is it just a carved block with rolling ink? Deepika is asking.
Yes, exactly. The carved and I used red color inside that place, no, where I removed the plywood. Then after that, I used the blowtorch. Then I fired the wood. Yeah. Then after that, I again rolled the ink, white ink. Then after that, again I blowtorch. I used the blowtorch. So almost no, it's a I would like to give some it's a dead feeling, no, something it's a plywood, and even in original works when we have look at, no, it's a kind of very painful wound, and that also it's a dead. When we burn it, no, it's almost it's a dead, something like that.
So Sabine is asking how that real image you rented, you see, the real images in the work.
Okay, real images means which?
I think what he's meaning is that pictures. I think that incidents, real incidents, you have put the pictures and all, no, in this ones and all.
Okay.
I think that is what Sabine. That is what, na?
No, actually, this image is not a, it's a real image. Actually, this is the incident of that Nirbhaya issue, no? It was happened in 2012, yeah, in Delhi.
Yes, Chandramohan, I'm just asking about how you render that. Are you pasting the image on directly on the wood block, or
Yes. I pasted
okay,
that.
it's like a
Yeah,
collage?
yeah, it's like collage only.
Okay,
But
okay,
this,
okay.
yeah,
Okay, thank you.
yeah.
So there is another question from Arun Dev. So he's telling that one cannot think of you without the incident of 2007, which echoes very well with the present situation in France, freedom of speech and religious intolerance. What do you have to say about that then and now?
Okay, yeah.
That is what I was also pointing when I told initially in the current various
So,
context is.
no, they are particularly they are asking about my work, or it's just freedom of speech means.
I think he's asking about freedom of speech, right? Arun Dev, freedom of expression. Yeah.
He's asking in general.
Okay.
Then and now, like we are talking about 2007, now it is 13 years, and since another part of the world, very similar, an artist against the religion, or that is a portrayal, maybe
You
similar to your.
went through it as a person, no? So I want to know what you felt like as an insider.
No, actually, in my personal life, no, actually, I am, I am doing my work, whatever it is. I don't know how much it's obscenity in my work. I don't know. But I have my freedom. When I am working between my four walls, I am working what I think. But I don't know. But because of that incident, 2017, 2007 incident, still the galleries are not ready to show my work, because it's not that much of hard images I am presenting. But I don't know the issue because of the Chandra Mohan, means maybe they have some negative impact, so because of that, maybe I am not getting that shows to still today, no. But since that 2007, still I don't have any single show in India, but I have the very good shows in abroad, like USA and Bangkok and France, something like that. Yeah, actually, sometime also, no, when we are talking about the freedom of expression, no, actually, I try to show very, because still, no, I have some my personal imagination to work on, but somewhere, no, I am not expressing ultimate, no, what I am feeling and what my inside. So always I try to represent, but that I don't have the sources to explore my work, or show my work in galleries or something like that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I felt it should have happened the other way around. Like you were in the limelight for a while, and it would have given a good platform.
Okay.
I like your work so far, and you should have gotten more shows instead of not getting any shows.
Yeah, that is actually a few galleries, they are saying that they are the prints, so we can't afford prints. It's not it's actually in reality that is not the big issue, but indirectly they are saying, no, we can't show your work, yeah, because of so issues and something, no, maybe they don't want to take any risk. Actually, in reality, there is no any risk, but I don't know. But they are kind of brain, yeah, insecure. They are might be thinking insecure. No? Why don't we take risk? Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. This one done the hierarchy of life. Now here I try to show anti-violence. Yeah, the animal sacrifice or something like that. So here I try to show that Mahavira, the statue of Mahavira. This is also on wood black. This one also illumination. It is a 6 by 15 feet. It's also plywood work. Actually, this work also I imagined from my uncle, no, actually, who is died in recently 3 years back, 3 or 4 years back. So at the time of no, actually first time in my life when my grandfather also he died, I have not attended. First time in my life I attended on one death ceremony. So I have observed no some okay in cultural wise I know the what are the activities will be there, but somewhere here find some new. So then here so simultaneously I am showing that cultural activities and at the same time no how the people do it. It's a formal way, no? It's a formality. Because of formality, we have to do the thing, something like that. It's not a so much intentional thing. Just it is a formal. Yeah, that kind of incidents I have seen. So that now I try to show something that here that pigs and they are not eating that food now or something like that. In that background also.
If you would have drawn it today, it would have had a different meaning, probably.
Yeah, exactly. Somewhere no you can find out the cultural activities also on ceremonies but at the same time no I try to show their inner feelings, no actually they are not very emotional with that cultural activities, just it's a formally. Yeah, so formally they are doing something like that. No, I try to show, here no the love of knowledge. Yeah, it's also in 2016. Here also, no, I try to show some. It's a Ramana Maharshi is the left hand, and here I try to show some. It's a donkey carrying it's a heavy basket of flowers. So I'm trying to show some. It's a very it's a knowledge also. No, it's some kind of a burden. No, so something something kind of way meanings I try to explore in this. Yeah, this is a recent work in 2020 mixed media work. It's Adolf Hilter. So actually, recently my incidents, no, actually when it was happened, no, when I put fire that head office, no. So actually, when I'm in after that incident and after I released from the jail, no, one day I thinking myself when I'm sleeping, no, why actually how I became that kind of situation, no. So what brings me to make actually that in practically also no actually before that incident also no I visited few 3 4 times to the VC office. So but no, actually they didn't given me the chance to meet them. But however no actually one day they put me wait for 3 hours something like that. So it's a deliberately actually they are inside that register officer also not busy. He's on rest only, but however no he know that Chandramohan is waiting outside. So he deliberately put me in wait for 3 hours. But however after that 3 hours no they he given me the chance to talk to him. But actually no, that time actually their the way of talking so it's a completely it's a rude something like that. No, it's a very rude and it's a provocative words. It's a kind of even I can't imagine. No, I can hear such kind of words. So it's kind of yeah. What you can do here? Almost your master. You did your master. It's almost it's 11 years over. So what you will do with the certificates? You're now it's the 40 50 years old or more, almost near to retirement or something. Such kind of no. It's a kind of funny. It's a provocative word. So all that thing, no, made me to become very, actually, I don't know that that time exactly. Even when I'm after came from the jail also, no, even that time also I never imagined what was the state of my mind actually. Really, I tried to imagine, but I didn't. So it's a completely, it's a it's a without, no, it's a without my out of my control, the situation was. So still that's why, no, actually still I feel that, no, I didn't do that fire, no, I didn't do that mistake, but it's done by me, yeah, because it's not a very intentional. It's like completely out of my control that time. So that time, no, actually I imagined why me also such kind of violence feelings. So then I try to how the big people. So then why don't you work on some world most violent people? Then I try to read out on some very Hitler and something, very famous violent people. What was their life actually in reality, and what was the situation they made to them become a very violent or something like that. So I took few people. Yeah. Actually, I don't have the very so much information about them, but I know little bit. No, very major issues and their decisions and their violence.
So, Chandramohan, this is a question from Arun, that what caused that incident? Are those works included in this presentation?
Sorry, what?
What was the trigger for those incident? Are those works included in this presentation?
No, no, actually, just it's a inspiration. No, that's what I am saying. No, after that incident, no, I see some violence in within me also. Actually, never I.
Yeah, I know that time some of your works is what created that issue, right? Are those works included in this today's presentation?
Yeah, no, no, no. Sorry. So issue means you are talking about the 2007 issue, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. No, no, no. I don't have those works because that works also, no. It's still in court, no. Actually, it's not still. It's not cleared. So as per the court orders, no, I don't have the rights to show those works, even in online also.
Oh,
Yeah,
but I've seen those.
yeah, yeah. Mixed media works. These are on paper. This is actually this is I did in lockdown time. The generous nature, yeah. Actually, during that lockdown period, no, that every that pollution, no, completely it's reduced, no, it's so the how I see actually before, no, I never see the birds in my society in Baroda. So, but during that lockdown period, no, I saw very beautiful birds. I know it's a very, yeah, that kind of it's a feeling. Yeah, I tried to express those feelings, the situation, no. This title is the epistemic injustice. It's before that lockdown also, no, because of that recently incident of 2007. So I struggled so much thing to, regarding that court cases, no. Every month I have to go to the court, and so there is a very complicated also. Even myself, I know it will clear, but because no, still 2007 case also still on hold on it. Still it's not clear. So even this case also, no, it's very complicated also, because it's not a matter of just university, because it's a completely political incident, no, because within my faculty members also, fine arts faculty members also included that incident. So I'm trying always, no, since 2007 I tried my best to fight for justice, but it is very in practical, it's I feel today after my 13 years experience, no, I feel it's very quite difficult to get, because when the people in our community, who is supporting to them, it is very hard to get. Uh, because no, actually even myself also, no, even if you think, no, actually even I don't have any show in India. I don't have the proper promote from gallery side. It is really very rarely I have the shows in abroad and some sales to the private sales or something like that. It's very hard to continue my to run the case, and so I have to pay the room rent, studio rent, and my personal material cost, and more than that, no, I have to pay the more so much money to the advocates, no. So for my 2000 case, almost 3 lawyers I have. So for the recent issue, I have the one lawyer advocate. So it is very difficult to manage all the things, no.
So what is the situation now? Like,
Sorry, what is it?
what is the situation now? Like, you have to go to. What is the current situation in that case?
Yeah,
Like, you have
actually,
to go anytime to court.
no, actually, due to this lockdown, no.
Yeah.
So I got certain gap.
Okay.
So we don't know, but even still also, but still it's running. That court case is a court, but my case is on. I don't have the any hearings or something like that. I don't have the any. Even myself, that lawyer also told me. Actually, I told him, but personally, I have to pay the amount to my advocate, no. So I told him, but at the moment it's very hard to, yeah, survive myself also. But so if you want to, you can stay for some time. Then we can stay it for, yeah. So that's why, no, yeah, still, no, since last for 6 months, no, we don't have the any hearings or something like that, yeah.
So who supported you during this crisis?
Yeah, there is a one human rights member. Actually, earlier before also, I don't know that lady, this Johanna Lokande. Yeah, she's actually one person who supported me in this case. Actually, earlier also I don't know actually, but when she heard about that recent incident, no, she came to the Baroda from Delhi. She came to the Baroda, and she met a few artists also, but she didn't get that much of a positive response from the artists. But but a few people, no, they donated some money, some 2,000, 3,000, something like that. So she collected around 50,000, something like that, and around it took, no, for advocate fees is 70,000, something like that. So personally, no, she, yeah, managed remained amount, something like that. Yeah. So even after that issue, after I released it also, no, she supported me economically so much now. So she find out some commercial works and some clients to my work. Yeah, something like that. It's so very great. Yeah. It's a parasitic disease. So
Even
it is
Vasco
also,
did a lot of things. No? For this.
sorry.
Vasco did something for you in recent this thing, no? Like Vasco X Vasco.
Yeah, honestly, no, actually, he's supported me, no, so much, from not only since recent issue, but earlier also he supported me so much.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, because he likes my work so much, and
Yeah,
So
he's
he always try to promote my work, but even within the he told that even in it's in India it is very difficult to organize the show, but sometimes we definitely go for some show in abroad.
mhm.
So yeah, he's also planning actually.
a very nice person. Yeah.
Uh, Recently also, no, he wrote some article, no, it's a UK based printmaking magazine.
Yeah, yeah, I've seen.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
he
got it. Yeah.
posted the article.
Yeah. It's in the cover, no? Cover of the magazine, right?
Yeah,
Your work is in the cover, right? Yeah.
yes.
I think.
What what we talk about, where we talk about rape, it's a kind of, no, it's a woman under attack, something incidents, no, which I took. So yeah, this one also recently was in the day-to-day life, no. Actually, recently, no, due to lockdown period, for first month we didn't get the newspaper, but after that, no, Times of India we have the available of Times of India. So then everyday life, no, whatever I see some incidents is related to some violent or painful, not a violent particularly, a painful incident, whatever it is. So I always try to work on that. Yeah. This is also my personal life. Yeah, almost, no, it's a completely abstract. No? I try to show my personal emotions with different kind of lines and patches. There is some when I'm making that certain lines, I have some internal feelings. Sometimes, no, that objects also you can see in close up. Somewhere you can find out some that biological forms and elements also you can see in that work. But it's also very completely it's a abstract form. Yeah, it's transformed to into some different forms. Yeah, this one also untold story. My recent works are, no, almost I try to work on some abstraction. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. At the same time, I try to make I work on some. You can, if you want, you can close this image also. You can find out some images. Yeah, it's very it's a kind of very sexual organs, something you can see, and at the same time, no, it's a sexual organ. It's not I'm trying to show any ecstasy or something like that, but it's a kind of very biological system, and it's a parasitic kind of disease, and that painful, no, almost you can that trauma, and you can find out some. But actually when I'm working on this also, no, I actually try to give some uh, uh, make clarification, some message. Then I try to write some letters also, but I couldn't. But so that that will be easy to understand the subject what I'm trying to expressing, no.
Yes.
Yeah, this one is very 2021, very recent. This one, I think around 2 months back or something like that. Actually, this time, no, actually, that no, I try to show that spinal cord, no,
Mhm.
in top of that. Actually, well, I'm actually before actually that time, no, I have to do some works for one person. Huh? He told me to work some works. So then I try to work on some mixed media work on paper only. But that time, no, actually really I have very severe pain that time. But however, no, I try to manage to work on that. So it's almost it's reaching to earth means, no, when we are standing and doing drawings, no, it's a large scale work, no, it's a completely, no, that compress that spinal disc, yeah, we will get lots of pain. No? So it's a kind of unbearable pain. Yeah, so that's why I thought it's on bottom of that image. I try to show some skull reaching to earth. Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's look like sometimes it's look like etching also, no?
No, it's a drawing. It's a
No, I'm just
yeah.
I'm just thinking in it
Okay.
works in etching also
Yeah.
because different lines and that linear quality, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This life and death is a series of work. No, actually, again, no, I try to show out some that. No, it's earlier I did some breast cancer series of work. No, so this is also almost it's a similar subject matter, but I try to show some their personal. No, it's a very it's, their different characters of sexual behaviors. I know they faces. So that's no that subjects I try to express in this. In background also you can see that populating figures you have that woman with skull. Yeah,
So this is a question for you from Shanti. She's telling an interesting observation. Like when you are doing figurative work, you are doing it mostly with lines, very abstract.
Yeah.
But when you draw skull, it is differently treated. Why it is so?
Sorry. When I'm drawing.
No. When you draw body, it's mostly through lines, like very abstract way. But skull is like fully you're drawing, right? So it's not abstract, right?
No, it's a state of my mind. If you can think here also, no, it's a skull, but no, it's the situation, no, what my mind, I know. So sometimes no, I can draw some very fair. So complete my concentration on some death or something like that. Sometimes no, I thought it's a very abstract way. It's a very expressive lines or something like that. It's the situation where I am. No, it's the emotions are different. No, always it's not necessary to all time. It should be same.
Means anything beyond skeleton can change the form, right?
Sorry.
Anything beyond skeleton is the same shape or form throughout, but anything beyond skeleton, life, death, after that can change the size and form is what you are implying, I feel.
This is also same title, Life and Death.
Here also you're keeping that woodcut texture sort of a feel, huh? It's a painter, right?
Yeah. It's painted only. Yeah.
Also this gene.
In this work, I didn't use any wood block. But however, no, I try to. So actually, as always, in all marks, no, I try to show some certain painful things. No, every work almost, no, it's reflected in somewhere. So why don't I give that picture within the manual work?
Also, are you influenced by the artist Basquiat? You know, James.
Yeah, somewhat I have.
Michel Basquiat.
Yeah.
Also, your early works have a lot of German expressionist.
Yes,
Emily
definitely.
Nold and
Yeah, yes.
Kritzner and all these
Yeah,
people. Yeah.
yes.
And yeah. So,
Yeah, it is 8 by 4 feet work. It's a link. So here, no, actually, I try to show all kind of, it's a homosexuality and gays and lesbians and straight, So all things I try to uh, show here. Yeah. From bottom to third one, second one, that last one is the skull. It's a completely, it's a little bit, it's all biological images you can see in close up. So almost it's very close to the subject matters also, where I represented in earlier series of work. It's a breast cancer series of work and their sexual symptoms, what kind of symptoms and why did they get and what was the influence of to recover from the disease. All that things, I try to also. Those things also I composed here. Yeah. So in my works, most of the works, it's sexuality. It doesn't always. It's not. Sometimes I try to show some ecstasy. It's a different time of approaches those works. But sometimes, no, the sexuality is not just a ecstasy. There is so much biological systems and the so that made something different influences on survivors who are facing that breast cancer. No. Yeah.
Chandramohan, what you written on the painting?
That is the slogan. It's in Telugu.
On the work, it is written. There is some text on it. What is that?
Yeah. Slogan. It's a Telugu song. That's it's things about the Shivalinga something. Yeah.
It's a hymn to Shivalinga.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
So it represents the ultimate. It's a creative mode of something like that. It represents.
thank you, Chandramohan.
Yeah, thank you. At least I got this chance to show my work. At least share my thoughts and experience.
Yeah.
In real life, I didn't get this chance. Yeah.
No, I think half of the crowd may be thinking that you are busy with a lot of foreign shows, abroad shows.
Yeah.
You're not here, or you're not. So something like that, So that's also a reason that maybe, people are not approaching you for something, right? That's what I felt, most of the time. Yeah.
No, actually, I have very few, but it's not that much. It's a market oriented or something like that. I have few
No,
shows.
I'm not saying but we update. We update like what you are doing there, and like I ask people because I was there in that incident happened. Like I was in front of me only. Like a lot of crowd came, and then they're taking, and there is a lot of hassles happen.
Okay.
So I know I was there. Like I couldn't see your department. I couldn't enter to your department to see the works before that it happened.
Okay.
So I was there in that display time. So I know that. So I also came to the police station. There is a march.
Yes.
So we all went there. So after that, I always update what is this guy is doing? And then
Yeah,
Vasco
yeah.
sometimes update me, or
Yes.
like I asked him,
Oh,
so I know that. So I felt that that event which really made an impact on your life and career. Still, you are in. I won't say that's a trap, but you are still in that trauma of that events. That two
yeah,
events
yeah,
which happened in your. So your work also has that some sort of a response towards something. Like it's more than like you didn't even get a chance to see things in a little little away from that, which is very evident in your work. That's what
okay,
I
yeah, yeah,
feel.
yeah,
Yeah,
understood.
maybe
Yeah,
most of this violence and all.
yeah, yeah.
I think it's very loud.
Yes,
Like
yes.
it's though you are using very different colors and all, but it's very loud.
Yeah, yeah.
Which maybe like we can connect that to something like a German expressionism and all. They are more into the war and that
Yes,
sort
yes,
of a
yes,
thing.
yeah.
This is more like
Mm.
a personal trauma.
Yes, yes,
So I felt like that still you are into you couldn't come out from that. It's
yes,
like,
yes, yeah.
yeah.
Actually, maybe it's the reason of maybe actually no that the court cases also no, it's very hard to survive. No, it's very difficult to manage all that thing. No,
Mhm.
so as you know, since 2008 also no, the art market how the prices are going.
Yeah.
So at this situation, I have to survive myself and I have to take care of that my cases. So all that things, no, it's a very complicated to run. So due to that thing also, no, but at the same time, I am trying for the justice also. But I want the justice, then I have to manage to survive my life also, no. So I have to earn money and something like that. No, it's also quite hard. So yeah, it's a kind of when we are dealing both things simultaneously, no, it's quite painful also at the same time.
Challenging, yeah.
Yeah, challenging, very challenging. Yeah.
Chandramahan, Gautam here.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, I have a question actually. How do you manage such a big paper? Do you spread it on the floor and work, or you stretch, or you paste it, stick it on the wall and paint? How do you manage?
Yeah, I have the table 4x8 feet table, glass table.
Okay.
So yeah, I will roll the color over on the paper. Then after that, no, I will hang on hangers. Yeah, I will take the PVC pipe. No, it's a very small. It's a very 1 inch thickness. It's a pipe. With the support of that, I will hang entire paper. It's on
Okay.
over the wall. Yeah.
Okay. So for painting also you do the same?
No. Actually, I'm not doing painting. No, actually, it's not a canvas. It's a plywood. Whatever I did, all those works. No, it's a mixed media works on plywood only.
No, recently you did some watercolor and drawings.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
paintings.
Watercolor is a very small scale. Yeah, 30x40, something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
I will keep on floor and I will work over on that only. That's it.
No, I just saw one 5 feet by 10 feet, something like that.
Yeah. That's when I pasted over on that wall only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
5x10 feet work. Yeah. 2 works I did. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you for showing your works.
Thank you.
Hi, Chandramohan.
I
Yeah,
have
yes.
something. I have something which will probably make you feel happy.
Yeah,
I
please.
attended a talk. I think it was by Asia Society, and there was this curator of the MoMA, assistant curator or something, who did your Bangkok show.
Okay. Yeah, Siddharth Visha.
Yes, he talked about you and he was praising your work a lot.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Right.
I didn't know. I mean, I didn't know about your work before that. Haven't seen your work. This is the first time I'm seeing the work, but he was very, very supportive of you in your work. So I just thought I'll make you happy to know. I don't know if you attended that talk recently, last month.
Okay. When it is?
Last month.
Last month. Okay.
Online,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. Fine. Yeah.
So I remember, I forgot his name, but I remembered because he said soon after he did your show in Bangkok,
Yes.
and it was a complete sellout.
Yes. It was in 2010. Yeah.
Yeah. So very nice work.
Yeah. Thank
Shinut.
Yeah, Chandramohan,
you. Yeah, please.
very nice work and very nice display. And
Thank
thank you to show your own works and So I would like to see your that particular work. What happened? 2017. I think 2008. I think.
2007. Yeah.
Yeah. So after that, you changed in your style or something that after the incidents or.
No. There is no any sale. No. You can see that. No. What after that also I continued same series of works only. But it's not a completely mythology series of work. Even my entire works also, whatever I showed, so never I did. It's a continue. If I did some series of works, then I should. It's not something like that. It's depend on my state of mind. If I have the, see, you can in last work also, no, I try to show some Shivaling also. That time, what was in my mind, accordingly, I will try to express my feeling. But it doesn't matter if I did one work means I have to do second work also same series of work and for certain time, not something like that.
Okay, I would like to see that that particular work, but
Yeah,
I can't see.
even as you said, no, after that incident also, no, I did so many nudity works on sexuality or something like that. So,
Okay.
but I have the very nice show, that Siddharth Vishwa, now he mentioned.
Yeah.
So he did very wonderful show in 2010. Yeah. That show complete. Total was sold out. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chandu. Hi, Chandu.
Hi, Mama. How are you?
This is Kumar Swami. Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah, missed your early works. Actually, I joined at 6:10.
Okay.
Joined half an hour late, but really liked your energy, Mama. Lot of energetic work. It's very painful work I have seen. Though why, I know how you work and what is your hard work and everything. It's really heart touching. Now I understood that. Yeah, I just want to say something like he used to say always engaged with some work. Now I understand by seeing your work, you're all 24/7. You are into your works only. So I just want to say that compliment. Being your friend. I'm very much proud of you, man.
Yeah.
Seriously, a lot of works. I have seen very few of your work, but recent past 5 works I didn't. 5 years work I didn't see. So thank you very much for presenting your work. Seriously. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Great work. Great work. Yeah.
So you're planning to do some woodcut again, or like mostly in painting?
No, actually, I don't know, but still I have the same problem. So as you said, no, it's once it disc herniated, no, it's very difficult to come to normal position as before, no.
Yeah.
So it's still I have the pain also. Even right now also, no, I'm continuously sitting, no. Again, I'm getting that kind of situation.
I know.
So it's very hard to make wood carving, no. Particularly this wood, no, whatever I using plywood, no, that is very hard, no. It's very difficult to carve it.
Carving them.
Yeah. So we have to take a hammer. It's something like that. That much effort we have to give for that.
I just want to say one thing about from the past 3 years you are facing the same problem. When I visited Baroda, even without wasting your time, facing with that problem also you have worked the woodcut. I have seen your work. It's a huge skill. 8x4 panels you are working still with the paint. That was very much interesting, man. Seriously, and even starting from 2000 also, we are being. I'm observing you since from first year. Your status of mind is like that only. I'm a witness for that. Seriously, because starting from the first year and second year, thinking about your work and how to come out with your self expressions and all. So that is what you did past these years.
Yes.
So very much proud of you. And Satish, yes, this is Hyderabad time. Because I'm most of my friends and everyone are watching this Chandramohan's presentation, because most of them, they don't know how his works are going to be, what type of work he's doing, why always he is only becoming controversy in the field of art. So now everyone comes to know his pain, how he is working.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah. We had Syed 2 weeks back. Then you were there, right?
Yeah.
Hyderabad month, Varakosh month.
Hyderabad month.
So
So we both are like Sujit and me in MFA, and Chandu and me are in BFA batchmates actually.
Oh.
Yeah, starting from entrance, till final year. Even I tried in Baroda, I didn't get, but he got the seat there. Thank you for the opportunity, Satish and Sujit.
Yeah. Now many artists are from Andhra Pradesh. Like I can't call Andhra Pradesh now. Like the whole Andhra. Like they are doing etching. The printmaking nowadays. Like woodcut and
woodcut.
like,
Yeah.
some sort of a school is forming, right? Like I know
yes.
you and Pradap Modi and then Sokra Kurasani and then many others. So it's kind of a schooling, because it's
yes.
yeah, I found a lot of works even in Uttarayan, mostly from Andhra Pradesh, like something which is
Actually, when I started that woodcut work, actually it's a complete, that approach also it's a complete, that way of registration is my own only. It's no one before did. Their registration process is different. My registration process is different.
Okay.
The way of then after that.
How it different? How it different?
No, they are actually that is
the registration means like how it different?
No, the actual I will use the very simple and very easy, which is very perfect also. You can't. Then if other procedure, they will cut out the paper. They will cut out the window paper, something like. Then after that, they will put the window, then overlap the color, just to take the border of the plywood.
Yeah.
So then I thought, why should we waste the one paper, and we have to manage it very properly. If it will be more, that's also very complicated. Then thought then instead of that, wasting paper and wasting time also, it's very complicated also. So then I thought, why don't we put the paper over the plywood, and we can press the outline, the border of the plywood, automatically it will take that impression.
Yeah.
So then that plywood border also, I try to take some color, very light color, with very 1 inch roll with that. Then automatically that when we press that border, automatically the color will catch the outline of the paper.
Yeah.
So then that will be very perfect and very easy to make that registration. Yeah. Even border also, even my entire work also, you can find very sharp line outlet. There is not a very small mistakes also in registration. Yeah. So then that after that, that all the my friends and all are followed same kind of technique only.
Yeah,
same
that
kind
is,
of
that
technique.
is
And then when I'm second year also, my teachers also told that, one Chandramohan is doing woodcut, why you are doing all our woodcut? Yeah, then sometimes he got angry on the student also. Why don't you do some lithos or some other medium works or something like that? But it's a kind of new approach, no?
Hi.
Hi. Yeah.
I am curious about how can you represent the suffering of a woman instead of you have enough problems in front of you. So how you are, what is the force behind that?
No, we can't say that enough pain. So when we are thinking about others' pain, no, then we think our pain is very less than them, very less. Sometimes, so that's why, no. But it's a part of our life, no. Actually, always when we are looking at ourselves, then sometimes I thought, why don't we look at others' pain? So then at least we can think what is the where they are actually. Is this the ultimate pain or what? So, to thinking about our personal pain also, it's a kind of different thing. No, we can't come out from that. If you want to come out from that, and then at least we have to take the look of others. So it's also, no, it's not a, it's a very selective thing. It will happen in naturally in my life. So then I thought, why don't we work more on that, which is very similar thing, no? It's a similar subject and similar. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
See, actually, if you look at this incidents which Chandramohan has gone through, the people who attack these works and all those things, I think that is quite normal. Like, there is no dearth of bigots in the world. Any part of the world, if you go, there is no dearth of idiotic people and bigots. That would be there. But that is what they are supposed to do. That's why we call them bigots, right? But then there is another section of the society and community who are supposed to not allow that. That is the police, that is the government, that is the judiciary, and more importantly, a university and the artist fraternity.
Yes.
So I think more than what happened at that moment, what is shocking is what happened after that for so many years. So if an artist is left alone to fend for himself just because he drew something which he thought, I think it's a shame on the artistic community. I thought I must tell this much to you.
Yes. Even, no, see, after the such kind of incident also, no, even at least, no, the forget about the art. Okay, I can't say forget about someone because everyone is a part of our art community only, either it is artists and galleries and promoters and everyone. But after that issue, no, nobody, no, there is no any such kind of positive response, from the gallery. So I am thinking, so what was the wrong? What was why they are feeling that much of insecure? No? So it's what is the difference between the university and the gallery? So they are playing the same thing like that only. No, there is no any ultimate proper reason they have. So just because of that and just simply ignoring the artist, it's not a kind of thing. No, it's very acceptable thing. Yeah, that's very sad for me. Actually, maybe
So
I don't know.
So what about the Lalita Kala Academy and all that? You showing there in Lalita Kala Academy after this incident?
Sorry, Lalita Kala.
Lalita Kala Academy, Lalita Kala Academy.
Okay.
So you get a offer
you
or
get support
you get
from them or not? That's what he is.
No, actually, no, I didn't approach it. Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you think? So I think actually I would like to share one more thing. So what you people are thinking? What was the exactly reason behind that? They are just ignoring me to have that show, no? Whatever that, either it is art community or artist, eminent artist, or some gallery people. What was the what you are thinking? You might be thinking, no, there could be some reasons, might something like. So what is your personal opinion? So
see, so whoever that ignoring you, but you don't worry about that. But you can.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. I'm not worrying.
You can forward.
Sure,
you can forward. You can forward. You can approach anybody. Like in, I feel if you approach in Lalit Kala, maybe if you get any offer to, any show and all like that, I don't think you want to approach in galleries and all that.
Okay, yeah.
Open call in Lalit Kala, in Rabindra Bhavan and all that.
Yes,
There is maybe offer, it's open for you. So,
okay, fine.
So that's my.
I think it's more than that issue which is connected to you, and I think galleries are not that they are not showing interest because it's not because of that. Like you, not only that, like you are stuck in something, or you are some political issues and all. It's also because your work has some direct the violence sort of imageries, which is I feel it's completely my observation. It's maybe difficult to sell it, maybe, or also the woodcut has a some limitation, right? Like the woodcut or something like a etching of graphics, or now it's again sculpture. So maybe that is also a reason. It's not only because of you are part of something which is a major event or something. I don't see that.
Sorry, you are saying something about that
my line got disconnected. No, what I'm trying to say, it's not only because of you are stuck in. Hello.
Okay, yeah, I'm here.
It's not only because you are stuck in something, some political, controversy, or like political in the sense like some art controversy. It's also because of the imageries, which is more like very, very loud, and this thing in terms of violence, and so that's also one reason, maybe, maybe, and also the woodcut again. Woodcut have a very small, buyers or something. I'm guessing all this.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, it's not only the reason because they move. No, they also move. Like the gallery, if your work is, they're able to sell it, then one or two may say that they may connect it to the issue, and then they say that they don't want to show, but not all gallery will come and tell you that. No, I don't think. It's some other reason also, maybe. Maybe the imagery.
I feel that
maybe
the
that
not even his
the medium. I feel that because it's.
So I think you mean that artists also think about the
I'm not saying
art oriented, market oriented work.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
No, it's also maybe I am what I am feeling.
No, I'm not saying that.
You have to select the medium.
Galleries are working in that manner. That's what I felt.
So then we have to, if we want to access our work, then we have to follow their
guidelines.
Something.
No, I didn't mean that.
Similar kind of approach, at least. Similar kind of approach you have to manage.
No, I didn't mean that, but that is also one reason I'm finding.
Okay.
You asked, then that's why.
Because no, I understand. Whatever you're saying, almost I heard from few other artists also. Same thing, whatever you told, just because of due to medium also, it's a printmaking means in our India, it's a very kind of restricted medium. It don't have such kind of market or something, it's a kind of don't have the proper market for the printmaking. So recently, just because of Vaso, we have some surviving. Just we are exposing the printmaking. This is also. But earlier, we don't have any shows. Even still also, but very rarely we are having shows. But very rarely, very few shows we are having.
Yeah.
So, but earlier, we don't have any printmaking show. Never we saw any printmaking show. I think so.
No, I'm here almost 10 years now in Bombay. I'm here in 10 years. I think I hardly attended 3 or 4 shows. 3 shows.
Something like that.
One is Sokra Gurasani, and then I don't even remember. Other 2. So that is,
Yes, exactly. That's what we are saying.
I think.
Chandra Mohan, can I tell you something? Hello?
Yeah, please.
no, you have to you have a certain very strong stand on your art, what you are doing, and why you are doing, and you are very stern on that. And you have peculiar observation or standpoint, and you have to find the people who like that. Not everybody likes all kind of things, so you have to search and find the people who support you, who like your work, agree with your statements, because somebody who has no statements, then it is easy for people to accept. But somebody who is telling something very strong, then you have to find people who stand with you. So you have that you have to search also.
Okay,
Find it. And also printmaking, I think your kind of works, like if you look at the art history, expressionist artists always came to the printmaking, especially woodcut things, who is very expressive, like not only expressionist, but even other artists like Monk, who is very much expressive expressionist in his way. Also come to the woodcuts, because it's a peculiar medium which which can express these things. So you don't have to upset about this. This is, if you look at the art history, you can see similar things, and also then you can see people who had made works like you had problems. Not everybody liked them, but that is why we that is our standpoint. If we are strong enough, we stand and win. That is how we do. You don't have to get upset about that nobody likes you.
Yeah.
You know that if you are take that kind of standpoints, not everybody is not going to like you.
Yeah.
That is true. And I also don't like them. So you don't want their company. So you have to look for people who can,
I understood. Yeah.
There were people who help you.
Yeah.
So that shows the support of the society. It's not very upset. You are in a peculiar situation, and not everybody is knowing that, or not everybody empathize with you. But there are people who who is with you. There might be few, but it is always like that. And then strongly stand there. Keep your clear cut. That is the position artists should take.
Yeah.
Really, they will win also. Victory will be with them. When you look at that history, you see that.
Yeah.
So crying that nobody is helping you, then you can do something else. Everybody will come behind you. If you like. But you don't want to do that. You want to be yourself. And then you have to fight with the society. True. It is, everybody has to, isn't it?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I think there is nothing to be upset about it. You are a young man. You have a long time to go.
Yeah.
Instead of changing or being self criticized this way, I don't know. It's a good thing.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, Chandramohan. This is Nandakumar.
Yeah,
I totally agree with what Ajay said. I missed the talk in between, but I did get to see few of the images which were showing earlier, and I will certainly look back to go to the YouTube and look all of this. I also studied in Baroda, and we did follow the whole story and everything, whatever happened to you. I think you are still very young. So as Ajay said, you should be just taking it further. And yeah, that's what, all the wishes from my side.
Yeah.
There are lots of people who never got the support from gallery, not only because of you or because of any of these reasons, There are lots of people. So it is we are born to create artwork, I think, and sometime they will come to you. That's what exactly Ajay said, and I completely agree with it.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I feel like your work deserves to be seen. It should be shown. And I don't believe in that. You need to change the medium. Like this Alvar Balasubramanian, his work got sold for some huge amount. That work evaporated and it became nothing after a while. So I don't think medium is a problem. And yeah, that's it. I would like to see more work from you, and thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
So with that, can we conclude?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you was telling something? Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay.
No. Any more question? Then we can. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right. Unless anyone else wants to add something, thank you very much, Chandramohan. We are happy that you presented in our show. We hope that you would find that blossoming, whatever you have shown in your works. I think it will blossom again.
Yeah.
In your life, work, and everything. As all of them said, you are pretty young, and there's a very, very strong something associated with your works, and nobody can ignore you. They can afford not to show you in your gallery, but I don't think people can ignore you. So there is a strong statement. Appreciate, and our minds and support with you in whatever you struggle you have gone through. Look forward to a bright future for you. And thank you everyone else who supported, who congratulated, who assisted with you. Yeah.
One word, Satish. Yeah, Chandu, one word from Hyderabad. You have shown the Hyderabad into international level.
Yeah.
Okay, your work shown everywhere. You are the one who introduction in woodcut and in the graphics and different mediums. So always stay strong, do the best. Do whatever what ideas you are coming to your mind. Just do your work.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
All the best. All the best.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Satish.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.